All right, let's take a look at Dr.Sivanthi Aditanar College of Engineering. Right off the bat, you should know this is a private self-financing college affiliated to Anna University. What makes it stand out? Well, it has a nationally accredited computer science program, and it's also recognized by the government as a research organization. So here's what we're going to cover. We'll explore the college's background, check out the courses and their official quality stamps, see how they work with industries, look at their placement numbers, and finally, touch upon campus life and the financial aid that's available.
First things first, let's understand where this college comes from. What's its story and its legacy?
Okay, here are the essential details. The college was established back in 1995, and it's located in Tiruchendur. It's a private, self-financing institution affiliated with Anna University, and admissions happen through TNEA counseling, with that standard 65-35 split between government and management quotas.
Now, this college isn't its standalone entity. It's actually part of the Aditanar Educational Institution, which is a trust with a really long and established history in education, going all the way back to 1962.
And their mission statement gives you a clear idea of their focus. It's all about using quality technical education to empower students from rural backgrounds, which helps generate employment and boost the local economy. The whole institution was started by the well-known visionary Tiruchendur Aditanar. You might know him as the founder of the Daily Tanthi newspaper, but he also served as a minister and speaker in the Tamil Nadu government. And the college itself is named after Padma Shri Dr. Sivanthi Aditanar, who is a hugely respected figure in Indian sports and even served as the president of the Indian Olympic Association.
All right, let's switch gears and talk academics. What courses are on offer, and more importantly, how do we know they're any good? Let's look at the accreditations.
You've got 7 undergraduate engineering branches here, making for a total of 300 seats. They offer the traditional core branches like mechanical and civil, and they've also added newer programs like artificial intelligence and data science, which they started just in 2023. Now, beyond just a list of courses, here's something that parents and students should really pay close attention to. It's a key signal of quality for any engineering program. And there it is! The Computer Science and Engineering program here is accredited by the National Board of Accreditation, or NBA. This is a big deal. It's a rigorous quality check, and it confirms the program meets high national standards. This accreditation is valid all the way through June 2026. Okay, so an engineering education isn't just about what happens in the classroom. How does this college connect students to real-world research and what the industry actually needs? This is pretty significant. The college itself is recognized as a scientific and industrial research organization, or SACOE, by the Government of India. What that means for you as a student is that you're in an environment that's actively involved in R&D, not just teaching from a textbook. And to add to that, 2 of their most important departments, computer science and ECE, are also recognized by Anna University as official research centers. This means they're approved to guide students for their PhDs. The college also has 48 memorandums of understanding with different companies, and you can see some major players on this list like Zoho, TCS, and Cognizant. These partnerships are crucial for student training, internships, and of course, placements. Which brings us to probably the most important question for many of you. What are the job prospects? What are the actual outcomes? Let's dive into the placement details. According to the data that the college itself reported to TNEA for the 2025 admission cycle, they have a placement rate of 85%. In the companies that come for recruitment, you recognize some names from those industry partnerships we just talked about: Zoho, TCS, Cognizant, and a good mix of other firms from both IT and core engineering sectors. The college and its students are also consistently winning awards from major professional bodies like IST, CSI, and IEEE. This tells you that the student community here is very active, engaged, and performing at a high level. That's a great sign of a healthy campus environment. And finally, let's cover the practical side of things. What's life like on campus, and what kind of financial support can students expect? For those coming from out of town, this is key. The college has permanent on-campus hostels for both boys and girls, and the mess provides both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food options. When it comes to financial aid, there's a wide range of government scholarships that eligible students can apply for. This includes support for first graduates, children of farmers, and students from minority and backward communities, which helps make education more affordable.
On top of government aid, the management also offers its own support. They have scholarships for sports achievements, a 50% tuition fee waiver for their own alumni who come back for postgraduate studies, and they also help students with the process of getting educational bank loans.
So, when you put it all together, what you have is an institution with a deep-rooted legacy of public service, a nationally accredited computer science program, and strong, direct connections to the industry. The question for you to consider is, could this college be the right foundation for your engineering career? Just a quick note, all the information presented here is based on the college's official website and government portals at the time of preparation.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12 to engineering decisions.